product managers can leverage AI in the behind the scenes of their work, another result of today's AI boom is products and features that are powered by AI. In this case, users get to leverage AI capabilities too. In this lesson, we're going to spotlight a real-world example of combining AI and product-led growth and even using AI-powered features to drive PLG. Canva is a popular graphic design platform that can be used to create presentations, social media images, posters, videos, logos, and more. The company recently rolled out a new AI-powered offering called Magic Resize, which allows users to get help with not only generating the design and layout of new slide decks, but also crafting the content as well. By creating content that's both well-designed and on point, Canva's Magic Resize tool demonstrates huge value to users fast, getting them to an aha moment, and does so with a free user experience. As you know, these are two core principles of product-led growth. Let's go over two additional ways Canva is combining the power of AI and PLG. When it comes to converting users from free to paid, Canva takes a more subtle and nuanced approach with Magic Resize. When a user decides they want to export and share the deck they've created with Magic Resize, Canva doesn't stop them in their tracks and force them to shift to a paid plan. Instead, users get a set of choices. If they don't want to pay, users can share the deck for free with watermarks on the images. They can also pay a one-time fee to share the images in the deck without watermarks, or opt for Canva's Pro plan and have access to the entire image library on an ongoing basis. By empowering the user to choose their own path forward, Canva is delighting them with options and letting those who choose a paid path to do so, feeling as if it is the natural next step, not the result of pressure. Since its Magic Resize offering creates assets that are meant to be shared, Canva also seized on an opportunity for fostering virality in product-led growth. The company is confident that the power of a feature like Magic Resize is one that delighted users will want to evangelize. So they make it easy for users to collaborate with colleagues and friends with simple and clear prompts for link sharing and invitations to the platform. Just like the rest of product management, AI is not so much replacing human work and creativity and product-led growth as complementing and enhancing it. When it comes to PLG, AI features can delight more users, drive more conversions, and bring better business results in the process. If you want to dig deeper into Canva's AI and PLG efforts, you can watch the PLG Teardown episode, where the Pendo team looks at how well Canva leverages Magic Resize in service of the 6 principles of product-led growth. You'll find a link to the episode in the summary section below this video.